Halo. Teh mentangi danah ni hapo kayu meneba juga kohima. Kabahap hapo ke jalan akalan. Teh mentah hang ni pilak banyui. Ya kiriam tenrai jeng kiwe pat ki jadi pada badan ke jalan nanti jengi. Jengi kuwi berkasi i hang deki. Ya sem, ha? Pani i pat ki kiwe jadi pendu naka misu pat kiwe pat kat no kalong ke internet abang lak banyu i ya kini kiriam tentai ba ki pen i la ka jong ka culture ya la ka jong kariti ka jong ki te mentang ni pet ni te sasipang po ngin salai ban pet ya ka wai pat i store ni takidukan ki baki de halala ki jong ki kita ki mar ki baki penmi na ki snong ki thau jong ki ya hani dan kini ki perlok jengi ki bewan lang na selong te kublai dia kan te pet kapuk bang ni cakap. Tenak tangin sepet gini. Kublai. Pidai na. Nostayin to. Pi? Salang siya. Nostayin paris to. Nafiru. Oh, to kublai to. Kublai. Pidai na paris daisis. Nostayin mo? Nostayin. To. Fias ko kumno pa po siya ni. Sokuman deh. To. Teki ai ka bafidan man ong yang menta apa po siya ka caka. Dan ai. To. Kublai. Te kumno fidai na Paris Mokpat to. To fias ko kumno po siya ni. So tunak deh. Itu nak bahaka view na ni penpait mo. To kublai sibun. Te ngasi update mamarway ban pet kini kiriam tenrai cekini wai pat cak bentiu bat kumjur cak bentiu cengi. Hello. You are from?
We are from St. Peter's Parish Perfume.
Oh,
Boca District.
Okay, nice. Okay. Hello. Hi. You are from Dimapur. Holy Cross, no? Okay, nice to meet you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Pintang ikan dua ini pat kiwai pat ki. Hello. You are from which diocese? Huh? Okay, which state? Nagaland. Okay, nice to meet you. Hello. You are from Arunachal. Okay, nice to meet you. Hello. You are from? From Impal? Oh, here, no? Okay, nice. Okay. Hi, sir. PNP bun, kiblat bun, laki jong kam, jong pun kam. Kia berkerap pada pos. Mo. Hai, Pak. Kumno. Slow kumno. Biang am? Dah sutnat am? Kasit dah kak kalau kumno sini.
Sini dia kelab minta ka tu.
Tak biang ini. Tah. Mo. Tah kalman kandang mo. Te tah. Kini ki paralok jengi bawan lang kali ko. Te. To mentah saya sepang pon. Yang saya like ban pet yang store padi ki jingba pakai bana laki way pat ki diocese laki way pat ki state dah. Dapat ini like sekejaka baki di ki jingbam tenrai ane kita ki jingbam baki wanra na baki jong gisnong. Hi. You are from here, Nakalan. Okay, nice. This is place very nice. Okay. Hi, Pak. Up. Palok mentang nang lek sekejaka baki di ki jingbam lahala ki jong gisnong baki wanra. Te mentang nang lek anti. Pat sepet ki jingbam ayu baki di. Nasilong ru ki di ayu, te sepet mah. Mata tak apa ya kini ki food store ki baki dukan dengan di pecua lagi Nakalan Catholic Youth Movement. Hello. Hey, we're from here, no? Nakalan. Okay. This is what is this? Raha? Oh, candy na. Okay.
All local made.
Yes. How are you, bro? Okay, nice. This is cake. Then, ingin siap chat ban bam pacit nak tak sharing video share. Hi, ya ni nang khap ngiap haga store. Kidi unit Chelsea mo. Khap ngiap bahana kidang di cinteng ani pesta. Sini kidi nai. Na. Nakalan dai sesi. Pe yang jadi kuping tradisional. Wow, barok.
Siliang.
Nó đều brut chụp niat dasna đấy nào si Pekini start kini ki perlok na po nakalan kanya pedi ba ni dai pila dasna da kini tendau si wow pek kolompan dausi kan itu belum goi ini
100.
100
Yes.
itu
Price of this one pen is 100. Price.
Okay, I will take this one.
Buy the toothbrush.
Yes. Okay, nice.
Thank you. For like.
Ni bi pernah pilih pen. Cing start ini teh. Wow, pen. Wow, very nice.
Hey, you're going to ask someone like you can. Thank you so much.
Okay, Kublai. You are from original office. Okay. This one? Boss, no. You are the boss, no? This one? 15. Okay, I think I need to buy this one as a souvenir. Okay.
One piece.
Huh?
Only one piece.
Only one piece, no? Hello. You are from Tura. Yes. Life is done. Bye. You are from Tura, no? Oh, what is this? What?
Called ketok.
Katok, no? Katok, no? How do we use this one? And we can wear in on the neck, no? Okay, like you, no? Okay.
So nice.
Very nice. Okay. Thank you, Dada. Bye-bye.
Kublai.
Huh?
Kublai.
Kublai, no? What?
Hotel.
Where?
You can try like this.
Okay.
Oh, some.
Okay, handsome, no? What is the meaning? If you...
It's called May.
Oh. Okay.
We are especially during Wangala festival.
Yes. Wangkala festival, no? This one is the same, no? Same. But the sun is different.
Yeah. This is
But the same, no?
holiday. Is this one? No?
Yes.
It's ready made.
Or ready made, no? Okay. Thank you for your explaining.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yes.
Simbera.
Huh?
Simbera.
What do we use there?
It's called like
Oh, all right, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Dada. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Praise the Lord. You are from
We are from Bodoland, Assam.
Assam. Oh, bro. Okay.
And
Tasteful.
Tasteful
Is it? Okay. What is this?
This is lily.
Lily.
And it is made from this one. Pipe. Channel pipe, sorry.
Yes.
It's made from channel pipe and the quality is just so.
Okay. This one, what do we call?
This one is called jellyfish, not like.
Oh, jellyfish. Okay.
And it has some lightning also.
Oh, yes.
You can hang it in your ceiling.
Okay.
At night, in dark, it shines so well.
Okay.
And this is also a lily, but it's like a table lamp.
Oh, table. Yes.
It has also light.
Okay. What do we call this one?
Are you good?
This is our traditional shawl.
Oh, traditional solo
Yeah.
of the
It's,
boro.
Yes.
Okay, boro. Okay.
Actually, it is made from the silkworm.
Yes.
That thread, no? It
Yes.
is made from that one.
Okay.
Before it was very simple, means no flowers, nothing decoration. But now we have modernized it into beautiful flowers here. This one all it's handmade flowers. It's home weaving.
For women, no?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much for your explaining. Thank you. Praise the Lord. Kublai mo. Dapat info ni jong ki paralo ki bananam stuan. Kublai. Ta kumno. Ta kublai sta. Kublai mo. Te ngisu komen man yo if yang ni tikini ki jingdeng mo. Kiba kiwan paila mo. Ke kendian. Kumno pisngo habis poi sini kejaka. Sutunat dai. Kublai sibun mo. Kublai sibun yaro itrai mo. So you are from Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Praise the Lord. Hello. Fidaina. Juwai Daisis. Oh. Kublai sibun. Te ekir ba fiban ra ini pergi eh?
Ni dan ini ginger candy, gooseberry candy, but wild apple candy, and then kini biaslam, kipaila, pink traditional.
To kublai sibun eh, te ngisul komen ya ki mar ki pangidon hapok itila jengi fiban ra pen inam sakini jaka kublai sibun eh, te ki wei ki patip mata ngi layo jeng tip den eh. Te kublai sibun ki jeng wan ra jeng fi pen i ya ki jeng lo ya ki jeng don mo ya ki jeng don juga. Ka rikasi jengi. Kublai sibun. Kublai mo, kublai. Ha? Tementang ina dia pagi Arunachal. Hello. You are from which diocese?
Itanagar diocese.
Itanagar. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh, no?
Yes.
Wow. What is this? This is achar, no?
Pickle, yeah, achar.
Achar no? From
Made with bamboo
Chicken
shoot.
pickle.
This one is made with chicken.
chicken, no?
Non-veg, veg.
How much is one?
This one veg is 150 and this one non-veg is only 200 rupees.
How much?
200. This
200.
one, and this one is 150. Only. This is a very cheap price.
Okay, I will try this one, no? Okay.
It's very quite tasty.
Okay.
If you once eat, no, you'll fall in love with this one.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. I will buy this one.
Plastic or more.
Brother, what do we call this one?
We call podum.
Yes?
Podum.
Budung. What is the meaning? Do you have the
This is okay, but if you usually put in head, na?
in head, no?
Yeah.
You can put in my head.
Yeah. Number no, that's why.
In my head.
Like cape, no? We use for cape purpose. From Arunachal Pradesh, no?
Arunachal Pradesh, no? Oh, can I put in my head?
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Sure. Yeah. Right. Click कर दे जरूर. Just take it. Hello.
If baru kita para lupit ini dan kenika tradisional jadi ki Arunachal lah. Arunachal Pradesh tu. Itanagar, yes, Itanagar. Jadi jadi pet dengan Kublai sibun if baru thank you so much. 150. This. Hello. What do we call this one? Cushion, no?
We have varieties of keychains,
Bookmark, no?
and headband. We have bandana. We have cute Bible keychain.
Bible kitchen, no?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
We have those small items here.
Thank you so much, sis.
Welcome.
Praise the Lord. Hi. You are from Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, thank you. How are you? Okay, praise the Lord. You are from which diocese? Itanagar, Arunachal. Okay, very nice. Bye. Dan mentapat nak poi patsa ka diocese Shillong la jong. Te ani la ban yoi ya kini ngap ya ki ngap bana sol Shillong ban poi sedo isya nakalan ki Asya wai lu ban yo na sini. Wow, pet. Mana kok tu kuai? Te ngap sakut la ban yo na ni. Te kini ki ping to. Miss kublai. Coba Fidaina Shillong.
Ada nak Shillong.
Achudaisis. To kublai sibun. Kelaban rai ini kimal buat akan nanti berjengah ini kelaban pois kena cakap
Bang,
bantu.
saya like, subscribe.
Oh, kita kublai sibun mom. Oh, sotrun benar po pois ni.
Sotron apa Ribhoi district.
Pej kijing sistem kis konsamla jengi na du na Meghalaya syadu naklan tuan ra ini kis sotrun tuan ra ya ki umngap tuan ra ya syar fair ta. Hello. You are from which diocese? Which state? Assam. Oh, okay. Very nice. What is this? Arunai. What is the meaning of this? Do you have any meaning or something? How do we use this one?
It's like our, which people recognize us that we are Bodos, like we were like that.
Okay. Like the reindeer, no? Like a
Yes, beautiful features.
Yes.
Or inspired by nature.
Okay. Thank you.
Last year it got a JTEC also.
Yes.
Last year it got JTEC also.
Culture, no? Okay. Thank you so much.
And then also we got JTEC.
Handmade, no?
Or cultural attire.
Culture attire of which tribe? Bodo tribe, no? Okay. Thank you. Praise the Lord, no? Hello. What is this?
Keychains and girls.
Kitchen Bible.
Keychain.
Kitchen. To kumlay ba? Te kumna piso sini. Subang đây. To. Te lihat sendiri. Ba sir? What do we? How much is one?
This one is keychain like this.
Only 3. We didn't bring much, no, that's why.
Kitchen, no? Okay. How much is one?
I think 150.
150.
No,
This is from Nagaland,
no, all from Mizoram.
Mizoram.
Because I don't have any change for cash.
Everything from Mizoram, no?
But the cheap.
Saya sitin pat kublai pi parok ngai kublai pi kublai jupej pat kersian tak ba share like dan subscribe te mentah kan ka sini ya dan hanya po nakalan apo ka ngedah po nakalan hanya po ka jalan nakalan ta po ka nombak ka Kohima bat ini hagan ko Paris Cathedral kidon gini ka kidon mentakasni kidon gini jeng peni ya kijung kimar bawan rak nak kijung ki celah nak kijung kita Yesus bat hening nak isi pun bak kimar lasi ke ba nak kaleng jeng ngim don te ngilap ya kini jaka bat tujuru ngilap panyo iru ikimar ki bamangingi don kiwe pat ngidon pangini siam bajo i ya kijung lom pakapang coka jai pintu badan ketika tain lap sitai jeng ke India jeng hanik dulang baro ki samla na baro ki hakin ki bentak bah thai jongka ke India jeng ke Bangladesh boleh ini sapen biang pati aku pen